to the gold against US dollar. The gold against US dollar has been jumping between two price levels. We can see that the price has started to fall down this week and reached this area very close to the demand zone. The price could not go even more down, so there is a bullish pressure that is pushing the price even more higher, and we can see that the breakout of this zone here has happened here on a Thursday, where the price returned back down, did not close back inside, and continued to move up. We can see on the Friday candle, very bullish candle. Let's check also the trading community. I have shared also the gold entry idea. The entry was 1953 with a stop loss 1930, take profit 1990. So the 53 and 90. Let's check how this has behaved. 1953, it is here, it has been triggered with the take profit 1990. So this trade has been successful and it has been profitable without going to the stop loss, which is 1930, which is a great signal. Trading idea also. And let's check now how this looks on the weekly. On the weekly we can see very strong bullish candles for the last 3 weeks, and also this candle has formed a breakout to the upside. We can see the price has gone up and then returned back down, confirming this breakout on the weekly time frame, and the price will continue to move up. Very strong signal for now for the bulls, where the price will continue to move up. So let's see how this month ends. We have 2 more days, and as it looks right now, it looks very bullish. As it looks right now, we can see that the price says with this candle, if it stays like this, it will encompass 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candles body, and which means a very strong bullish signal. For now, as it looks, the month will end as a bullish candle here, and it will also at least look like a bullish candle that has made a breakout to the upside, going above this critical level around 1979 area. Let's see to the weekly time for how this looks. We have a little bit more space until the price reaches here 2016 resistance level, and there is a possibility that the price will make a reverse back down after reaching this area here. But as it looks, it is bullish right now. There is also probability that the price will find enough strength to push the price even higher. So where it will stop, it is the best to wait and see on the daily time frame, because this looks a little bit more clear. We have much more clear support and resistance levels. And I will take a look like this. After the price has made a breakout to the upside, we can see that there is the next level where the price could stop is around this 2016, very important level also on the monthly time frame. As it looks right now, the price is moving higher, and I do not see an area where the price could reverse back down. Very critical level for now is this one, where the price has made a breakout to the upside. So based on this, as it looks right now, everything looks bullish. I'm expecting the price will continue to move up. There is also possibility that the price would make retrace down after reaching this area around the resistance and also the supply zone, but we will see is this supply zone strong enough to push the price down. If you would like to see what are the entry ideas also for this week for the gold against US dollar with the stop loss take profit, join the trading community. I have shown you before what would be the trading idea. This week was a successful one, which is a great one, but if you would like to see for the next week also, you can join. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.